Part 1. How to customize the screen recorder settings. Head to the Settings app. Scroll down and find the Advanced Features option. Tap the Advanced Features option. Scroll down and find the Screenshots and Screen Recorder option. Tap it. You can select between the format, sound, video quality, and selfie video size options here. Choose the ones you like. Note: selfie video is only for the front camera. Part 2. How to screen record on Samsung. Swipe down to access your quick panel and select Screen Recorder. Choose your preferred sound settings, then tap on Start Recording. Then the screen record will begin after 3 countdowns. Choose between a range of options at the top of the screen to add to your screen recording. When you are ready to stop the video, simply tap the stop icon button. Part 3. How to locate screen recordings saved. You can find all saved screen recordings on the Gallery app. Open the Gallery app. You will see the saved screen recording here.